Howdy folks, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make at least $500 from Facebook Marketplace, okay? And all you need is two things, okay? Number one, you have to have a Facebook account, obviously. And second thing is you need a debit or a credit card with at least $200. Again, there's no money to be spent up front, okay? But you will need some money to buy some products once you get the money from your client. So I'm gonna get on my laptop here and show you exactly how easy this is, okay? I know you will love it, so make sure to watch this till the end, okay? Let's get on my laptop right now. Okay, so I'm on my laptop here, Satish here. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing, like an overview picture, and we'll actually go ahead and do it. So the idea is to find a product that's gonna sell. We're gonna go ahead and find a supplier. We're gonna go and list it on two websites, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and sell that product without any upfront money. So let me explain. So first of all, we'll have to find a product to sell. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this here. So let's go ahead and put find a product to sell. Now, what kind of products will sell? So here's some ideas. So you want to sell products that's going to be like guaranteed sell. So we're looking at gadgets, tools, something viral, something that has gone viral, that's gone popularity, right? So something like that. So gadgets, tools, something that has gone viral and people will love it. That's the whole idea. So we're going to go ahead and learn how to find a product, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and list it in two websites. So number one is going to be Facebook Marketplace, okay? And then the second one is going to be Amazon Seller. Now, let me explain the difference, okay? So a couple of difference here. So you can list it on Amazon, but you'll need to create an account. You'll have to pay some money, 39 bucks per month. But chances are that you'll pretty much make more money through Amazon Seller, okay? If you list it on Amazon. So you will. So I do recommend you guys listing it on Amazon, but if we are to make money like overnight, we'll need to list it on something called Facebook Marketplace. So what is Facebook Marketplace? So if you go ahead and log into your Facebook account, on the right you'll see Marketplace, okay? And you'll see people selling, I don't know, jeans, candies, gadgets, sofas, like, you know, things like that, okay? People are selling like everything, so you'll see it right here. So we're gonna go ahead and list it here, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and place an order. Let's go back here. So we're gonna go ahead and list it here, one of these places, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and list it here, and then once we get a order, so once we get an order, we'll get the money. So, okay, we're going to get the money, okay? And once we get the money, we will go ahead and place an order with the vendor. So, vendor, okay? And then the vendor, supplier, right here. And then they will go ahead and ship it out. So they'll go ahead and ship it out to the customer. So okay, that's how it works. So let's go ahead and review it one more time. So we're gonna go and find a product that is, you know, something popular. We're gonna go and list it on Facebook Marketplace if you wanna make quick money. Now, if you do have the patience, and I recommend, okay, I want you to go ahead and click, you know, find and create an Amazon Seller account. So if you go to, if you search up Amazon Seller, you'll be able to create an account. I'm not gonna cover that on this video, but I'm telling you that you do have that option here. The goal of this video is to help you make money like tomorrow, okay? So let's go back here. So we will list it on Facebook Marketplace right here, okay? And then once it sells, and I know it will sell, okay? Once it has sold, you will collect the money, okay? You'll collect the money through PayPal, Zelle, and things like that, okay? And then you'll place an order with the vendor, okay? And the vendor will send that product to that customer right here. So that's the whole process. So let's go ahead and start. So to find a product to sell, you're gonna go to, guess what? TikTok. Now, I know your mom told you, I know your parents told you not to, waste time on TikTok, but next time you can tell them, hey, I'm using TikTok to make some money for y'all. So let's go ahead and type up here. I'm gonna go ahead and type up Amazon made me buy this. Something like that, okay? Now, what you'll notice is that you'll find all these amazing gadgets. Now, notice that they have like millions of views. So what does that mean? That means that people have liked it, commented on it, shared it with their friends. So now the idea is that you want to go ahead and sell a product that's impulsive, product, and that's not too expensive. For example, let's say a product is like, $100. Some people will think, okay, especially people on TikTok, because TikTok is filled with like, teenagers, and pretty much, TikTok is encouraging people to like, have that instant gratification. That's the whole point of TikTok. That's why people are addicted to TikTok. Now, so we want to make sure to find a product that's like under $50, okay? And we want to go ahead and have at least 30 to 50% margin. So let's go. So you can search it on your phone or your computer. I'm searching it on my computer so I can show it to you here. So let's go and take a look at this. So what is this? A pillow? What is this? A hand warmer. So let's go and take a look at this. Okay. So it's a rechargeable hand warmer. So let's go ahead and go to Amazon. So I'm going to go to Amazon and type up hand warmer rechargeable. Now, as you'll see, let's go and take a look at the average price of these products. So 27, 28, 38, 39. So the average price seems to be about $30 average. Okay, so there are some high, nice ones here. But okay, so that's cool. So we're going to go ahead and find products like these. So let's go ahead and go to AliExpress. Okay, you're going to go to AliExpress, trustable, you'll be fine. Okay, you're going to go ahead and type up hand warmer rechargeable. I'll put that. Okay, let's see what we find. Okay, so we can find something as cheap as $2. So here, $2. You don't want to buy this. Like you're not gonna. I mean, you will make money, but not a lot. But take a look at this, and let's go back here. They look pretty similar. Okay, so hand warmer. So you found it for $5. The shipping is about almost $4. So this is about $8. This is about seven, 8, 9, 10, about $10, $11. Okay. These are shippings in the US shipping. So, and the most people will get their product in like 3 to 4 days. So that's pretty good. So I'm just trying to see which one. Okay, you don't want to buy these, right? So not this. So I recommend just buying this. See, both of these two look similar, okay? And the reason they look similar with different prices is because of this. So you see new user deal. It's not really a deal. They're same product, same manufacturer, but different people, suppliers selling. Let's go and click on this. Okay, you see this? Okay, very cool. So guess what? You have a couple of options. So if you see this product is gonna sell, so what you can do initially is list this product for sale on Amazon Marketplace. Once you get 5 or 10 orders, what you might want to do is order a bulk of these and bring it to your home, so you can just ship it out, send it to people. You can go and drop it off if they live nearby. That is one option, okay? But what I recommend you doing is just doing it all virtually. So this product is $5, okay? So $5, and then the shipping is almost $4. So I'm gonna consider this like $11, okay? Something just random, $11. So we want to go ahead and sell it so people can find it on Amazon for $30. So $11, okay? You can sell it for about $20, and then it'll be cheaper than getting it on Amazon. So people are smart, so they will check it on Amazon. So it'll be cheaper than Amazon, and it's the same product. So what you'll do is you'll go to Facebook Marketplace like this, click on create a new listing, item for sale, okay, like this. And I think I need to disable my ad blocker. Okay, there we go. Let's click it one more time, and then so you'll go and put the title, all that stuff here. So you have a couple of options. So title, you're gonna put in rechargeable hand warmer. Okay. Price $19.97. Why will it not let me put 97 here? Okay, I don't know why. Not that. I don't think it'll let me put like dot. That's fine. Okay, so you'll go ahead and get the pictures from here. You'll click here. So what you can do is just take a screenshot of this. Okay, and then we'll upload it to right here. Okay, and then for descriptions and stuff, I don't want you to just copy and paste these. You can, as you can see, you can copy this. It's fine, right? So it's good for what? It's good for commutes and things like that. So condition new, okay, and then you'll put in perfect for cold weather. Okay, and you can copy and paste this information here like this. Okay, there's more pictures here, so if you want to copy these pictures, right click and you can open in a new tab. You can put these pictures, okay, like that. Once you upload it, you list it out, and that's pretty much it, okay? And you are good to go. So you'll be able to, you'll start getting messages, and once you get an order, once you get paid, you'll come up here and click on buy now, let them pick the color, and then buy it for like, $10 with shipping, and then send it out to their place. And guess what? You keep the profits right here. So some tips for finding good products on TikTok is to make sure that, you can make pretty good margin. For example, let's say this one. I don't know this product. So Key Finder, okay? Let's copy Key Finder. And if we were to go to Amazon to find the average price, tile is here. Let's see, like this. So $24, $19. Okay, let's go here. Key Finder. This is like tile. I'm trying to find something similar. So $21, $28. I don't want to buy that. 21. See, this product is kind of like, if you wanted to get like something similar here, it's kind of, you won't make a lot of margin, right? We can try. Like these, we could sell it, right? So we could buy these for $3, and then let's see, $3, free shipping. Okay, so $2, we can buy these, and then like sell it for like, I don't know, pack of 5 for like $25. We could do that, make that $20, right? So that's a good deal. So you get an idea. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. My channel has more videos just like this, okay? So I hope you'll subscribe and watch more videos on this channel. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.